In today's QSR environment, your network is your lifeline. With 30 to 40% of orders coming online, downtime means lost revenue. Most businesses struggle with unreliable connectivity, complicated carrier relationships, and zero visibility into performance. Cipe's managed network solutions handle everything. We procure your internet directly from carriers at the best speed for the best price, overlay our technical support, and consolidate it into one bill. We monitor your connections 24/7, catching issues before they impact your business. Cellular backup keeps you connected when your primary connection fails. Here's what this means. You're not tech support anymore. Your managers call us, not you. We troubleshoot, coordinate with carriers, and keep everyone informed. We scale with you from one location to nationwide. No more juggling multiple carrier contacts or deciphering confusing invoices. One partner managing everything across all your locations. Stop losing revenue to downtime. Let Cipe handle network complexity so you can focus on growing your business. Cipe Managed Network Solutions. Reliable connectivity, simplified. Schedule a call at cipesolutions.com/get started.